Nicholas helped me to go to taxi.
Who else helped you? Who is Nicholas?
So many noodles. 20 kilograms noodles.
Got it.
Hi guys, I will go to a bus station from North Station. From North Pattaya go to Jomtien bus station. I will take taxi and after I will take bus. Nicholas helped me too. I will order taxi. This is Bolt. This is name application Bolt. This is driver arriving after 5 minutes. Connecting another driver. So many drivers cancel because maybe way far. So this is another driver. Toyota Altis. This is parking Sky Beach. It's always taxi park here. It's my bed.
This is your stuff.
We are waiting taxi, Bolt taxi, and after two minutes taxi arrive. And Nicholas stay in Thailand. How many days you want to stay more in Thailand?
3 weeks more.
3 weeks
We'll
more.
wait here.
I hope you will take video in the walking street or in the beach road. If interesting video, maybe he will send me video and I will upload in my YouTube channel. Also he will upload in his channel. This is already taxi. This is taxi maybe. Without license plate, I don't know. Toyota Altis. Without numbers. I don't know, maybe have. Yes, it's same. Broken car. Hi. Yeah, like in the front.
Close. Yeah. I'm making.
Okay. Okay, Nicholas.
Okay, bye.
Bye. See you again.
See you again. Alright, take care.
Thank you.
Bye.
ทำยูเทิร์น จากนั้นเลี้ยวขวาเข้าสู่ซอยสารานชน
Hi guys, I am already in bus station, but here don't have bus. Need to wait maybe 10 minutes. This is bus station, Jomtien bus station. Heavy traffic right now. I see already bus. This is bus. This bus. And vehicle park in this small station. This station only for travel to airport.
เราบินเสร็จปุ๊บเราก็ต้องเป็นแฟนอะไรที่ไหนไปละสวัสดีค่ะฮัลโหลเป็นภาษาเป็นภาษาค่ะ
Hi guys, I'm already in the Philippines. Flight time about 2 hours only. Now now 1:30 p.m. a.m. morning, and I will go to a bus. Genesis bus, same place. Morning is o'clock. What time? 2
2 a.m.
Oh, very good.